or cities. Luxury EVs will play a key role in the development of sustainable, connected, and efficient urban environments. While the potential is enormous, there are still several challenges that need to be addressed. High purchase price. Luxury electric vehicles tend to have a higher upfront cost compared to traditional gas-powered cars. However, over time, the savings in fuel and maintenance can make them more affordable. Battery technology. Although battery technology has advanced significantly, the industry is still working on making batteries lighter, cheaper, and with longer range. Consumer education. Many potential buyers are still unfamiliar with the benefits of electric vehicles, and educating the public about their advantages is critical to widespread adoption. With continued advancements in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and public awareness, these challenges will eventually be overcome. In conclusion, luxury electric vehicles are not just a passing trend. They represent the future of high-performance, sustainable, and innovative transportation. As automakers continue to refine their designs, increase their performance, and expand their ranges,